Here is a guideline on how to make a payment using Flexpay's USSD code. Dial Flexpay USSD code, which is *384*30#. Select the Make Payment option. Select the booking that you want to pay for. Let's have Diani as the booking we want to pay for. Go ahead and choose the payment method that you'd like to use. Let's take M-Pesa as our payment method. Proceed to enter the amount that you want to pay. Let's have 10,000 as our amount for the booking. Select the M-Pesa number. Remember that you're also able to make payment using another number. You will receive a prompt telling you to enter your M-Pesa PIN so that the amount can be deducted from your M-Pesa. Upon payment, you'll receive a text message from Flexpay informing you that they have received your payment and your balance of the booking.